right of a licensee under section 84 to take up proceedings against infringement. So, what it is section 84 is coming into the compulsory licensing and all proceedings related to. So, what that 110 says, any person to whom a license has been granted under section 84 shall be entitled to call upon the patentee to take up proceedings to prevent any infringement of a patent, and if the patentee refuses or neglects to do so within 2 months after being called, the licensee may institute proceedings to the infringement in this in his own name as though he were the patentee, making his patentee a defendant, but a patentee to added as a defendant shall not be liable for any cause unless the enters in appearance and takes a part of a proceeding. So, it is a compulsory licensing, that was earlier was a exclusive licensing. Now, here a compulsory license. What happened in compulsory license? I am to suppose I got the compulsory license, very rare case in India, only one compulsory license is awarded till date, but if that license is there with me, I am just like a owner of that, and if any infringement happen when I am a owner, I have a full right to initiate that proceedings. But before that, what I have to give? I have to inform the patentee, the actual owner, and within 2 months, if actual owner will not take action, then that 2 months I will wait, and after 2 months I being the having that compulsory